Good morning students. In previous video we have seen the first reason of urbanization is industrializations. We are seeing the lesson number 10 urbanizations. Dear student, today we will see next reason of urbanization is trade. A place in region is sometimes favorable in terms of transport, loading, unloading and storage of goods. This lead to development of trade and related service. So all of you knows, okay, many people they travel from one place to another place for the business, for the trade, okay, and they loading and unloading the goods or products. So okay, means so for the business they settle there, okay, they went there and after some years they settle there. In this way they increase the population of urban area. That's why means they increase the population as well as transport systems, okay, communications, okay. In this way all these things they increases, just like business complex, bank, credit societies, godowns, cold storage house, okay, extra, okay, all these things, okay, they uses the land of urban area. In this way we are seeing the gradually urbanization is increasing. All of you knows many people are migrating toward urban area in search of job, but everyone is it not possible to get job. That's why nowadays also, okay, many people they are doing different type of job, you can say business, trade, okay, and after getting business or after okay, starting business they settle there. So dear student, for example Nagpur in India is centrally located in India. Urbanization started increasing here because this location facilitated trade. So all of you knows Nagpur is a central place of India. So there is a centralizations of different type of trade, okay. In Nagpur there is a roadways, railways, airways, okay, ओके, इस सभी तरह की ये फैसिलिटीज होने की वजह से आज nowadays, okay, everyone is like to settle in Nagpur or just like a metropolitan city. Means we are seeing the reason of urbanizations. So trade is also main reason to increase the urbanization. Second reason we will see mechanizations and technology. We can see a lot of advantage of mechanisms and technology in various fields. Dear students, you know very well we are living in the age of science, in the age of computer era. So due to the technology and mechanizations we see, okay, many things are easier for us. Both are helpful to urbanizations too. In recent decade, the use of technology has increased in agriculture. All of you knows, agriculture is our main occupations. But if we saw the, you can say previous year of this agriculture, our forefathers, our ancestors, they were using traditional implements, okay, in their field. But nowadays due to the discovery, okay, due to the discovery of different type of new implements, due to the science and technology, now means new type of implements are available in market. That's why the production is increasing, okay. Nowadays production is increasing every year. Means for example hybrid seeds, tractors, threshers, harvesters, all these things, new type of implements nowadays farmers are using. That's why, okay, they increase their productions. Mechanizations has also increased in rural area. Agriculture is done with the help of mechanism on the large scale these days. The manpower employed in agriculture became devoid of agriculture work. This working class came to cities look for work. As a result, urban population started increasing. So dear student, what is going now? Okay, due to the technology, due to science and technology and mechanizations, our farmers is using a new latest technology, latest implements in their field, in the farms, to increase their productions. So now what is happening? अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इज इंक्रीज, उसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है? बेरोजगारी बढ़ रही है. बिकॉज इन एंशिएंट टाइम्स और फॉर फादर्स, ओके, all his family, all their family, okay, they were working in the field. Their brother, son, daughter, wife, and other labor also. Because that time there was a lack of science and technology. But nowadays, due to the science and technology, क्या हो रहा है? मैन पावर कम हो गया. ओके, that's why unemployment increase हो गया. In the rural area, unemployment is increasing, okay, every year. That's why those students are educated, well qualified, okay, they are searching a job for everywhere, and that's why they run toward the city area, in urban area. That's why this type of people increase the urbanizations. Do you understood? Means in science and technology, means mechanisms and technology की वजह से ये सभी चीज़ें अभी रूरल एरिया में अवेलेबल होने के बाद में ये जो अपनी जो यंग जनरेशन से, ओके, दिस यंग जनरेशन टोटली हैज बिकम अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर रनिंग टुवर्ड द अर्बन एरिया. दैट्स व्हाई दे इंक्रीज द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ अर्बन एरिया. Next point we'll see transport and communications. In regions where transport facilities like a road and railways develop, urbanizations of small rural settlement occupy rapidly over there. For example, after the development of Konkan railway, many villages like Sarvade lying close to proximity have started urbanization. Means, dear student, due to the transport and communications, if you will see the record of is ancient or previous years, okay, there was a lack of road and transport systems, communications. That's why, okay, that's why our farmers, our rulers, peoples, okay, they couldn't buy their commodities or product in market. But due to the facility of transport and communications, now every village is connected to neighboring, you can say neighboring city or mega cities. That's why what is happening, this, for example, Sarvadi district Ratnagiri is lying to close proximity as urbanization. So okay, मतलब ऐसे छोटे छोटे विलेज है, okay, they are connecting to mega cities. That's why, means this is also main reason to increase the urbanizations. Then convergence of important rail route through the Bhusawal district lead to the rapid growth. Then due to the railways, due to the railway also, we connect one city to another city. Okay, means in this way we can say that railway and roadway, okay, and different type of communications, they connect the, means they connect our relation to others. Okay, that's why these are the main reason of increase the urbanizations. Now last reason of urbanization is migrations. Migration is a major factor affecting urbanizations, you know, migrations. So everyone in this era, everyone want to live happy, easier, comfortable life. This migration can be short term, long terms, or permanent. Migration occur from rural to rural area, rural to urban area, or urban to urban area. Means there are three types: rural to rulers, rural to urban, okay, urban to urban. Now urban to urban, what means? Nagpur to Pune, Pune to Mumbai. Okay, rural to urban means, for example, केसरवाड़ा टू नागपुर, ये हो गया रूरल टू अर्बन एरिया. So those people are, we can say, educated, well qualified, okay, that a student is not ready to work in the field, okay, that's why they are migrating in large scale to urban area. The attraction of higher standard of life has also resulted in the increase in migratory population in the cities. For example, migration occurring cities like Mumbai, Pune from other part of the India. That's why everyone wants to live, okay, happy, easier, okay, comfortable life. That's why they are migrating one place to another place. That's why migration is also very important main reason of urbanization. So dear student, okay, we have seen these are the reason of urbanizations. Okay, dear students, in next video we will see the effect of urbanizations. Thank you.